Want to learn how to build an interactive chatbot in Outgrow? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick guide on how to get started with creating a chatbot that engages your audience, drives conversions, and boosts your digital marketing efforts. First things first. Outgrow is a no-code platform that helps you build interactive experiences, including quizzes, surveys, assessments, and of course, chatbots. It's a great tool for anyone new to chatbot creation or digital marketing because it's intuitive and easy to use. And the best part, you can start using it for free by clicking the first link below to get our exclusive bonus. So let's dive in. When you first log into Outgrow, you're greeted with a simple, user-friendly dashboard. To build your chatbot, click on the Create New button and choose Chatbot from the options available. Outgrow's Chatbot Builder is all about guiding users through a series of personalized interactions, which is key to driving engagement. You'll see a flow editor where you can design the conversation. The flow editor allows you to add different types of questions, like multiple choice, text input, or even sliders. Each question can be tailored to your audience, making your chatbot feel custom built for them. This is where the magic happens, creating personalized experiences that keep your visitors interested and engaged. One of the standout features of Outgrow's Chatbot Builder is its integration with other marketing tools. You can easily integrate your chatbot with email marketing platforms like MailChimp or automate responses through Zapier. This ensures that you can follow up with leads immediately, even while you sleep. It's an essential feature for anyone looking to streamline their lead generation process. Another great feature is the ability to add conditional logic. This means that based on the user's answer, the chatbot can automatically adjust the next question, leading to a more dynamic conversation. You can build sophisticated workflows that respond to different answers in real time. For example, if someone says they're interested in a product, the chatbot could show them more details or offer a discount code. As you continue building your chatbot, be sure to preview your flow at every stage. Outgrow allows you to test the experience from a user's perspective, ensuring that everything works smoothly before going live. This is essential for catching any mistakes or improving the flow before you launch to your audience. Once your chatbot is ready, you can deploy it anywhere, whether it's on your website, landing page, or through social media. Outgrow makes it easy to grab the embed code or share a direct link so you can quickly put your chatbot in front of your audience. If you're looking for more ways to engage your audience, Outgrow also allows you to create lead capture forms directly within the chatbot. You can collect emails, phone numbers, and other contact information, helping you build a list of leads for future marketing campaigns. And as I mentioned earlier, you can start using Outgrow for free today with our exclusive extended trial offer. With this offer, you'll have access to the platform's core features, allowing you to experiment with building your own chatbots and interactive experiences without spending a dime. To wrap up, building an interactive chatbot in Outgrow is a simple yet powerful way to engage your audience and drive business growth. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or digital strategist, Outgrow gives you the tools you need to create personalized, high-converting chatbots that provide value to your users. Don't forget to check out the first link in the description for your exclusive free trial and start building your chatbot today.